How to add clickable link on Canva. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I'm inside the Canva website right here and I'm inside the design section. Now it's really simple. All you have to do is to click on the text button right below, right beside the categories right here, and you can just go ahead and choose on any one of these text presets. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on add a text box, and from here you can just go ahead and add any text the way you want to. In my case, I have YouTube here, and all you have to do is to click on that specific text, click on the three dots above that text, and from here we have the link button. Now go ahead and get your link. In my case, I'll go ahead and copy this link as an example. And from here you want to click on done. They will be able to go through the link that you have copied right here. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.